Hello, my name is Emaad from Fields BMW, and today we're going to be showing you how to use our hands-free parking. So all you have to do is go ahead and just click this parking button, which is going to activate our self-parking. And once you do that, you just hover around parking spot and go ahead, once it selects it right here, go ahead and just click. You can either park in forward or reverse. All you have to do is go ahead and just let go of the brake and let it do its magic. And while you're doing this, just be mindful of your surroundings as well as the brake. So all you have to do is just take control of the brake, and if necessary, you could also take control of the vehicle and it will cancel itself by itself. And that's it. It also puts itself in park by itself, and you're all good.